How to fix Roblox installer not installing or not working in your device? For this first step, close Roblox process, open up Task Manager, search for Roblox. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Search it and end the task. And come to next step, search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Type it and click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. You need to click the Roblox folder and delete it. After completing, close it. And one more time, search for run and type the following text percentage temp percentage and press Ctrl press A and delete all files and folders. It's only temp and caps files, so there is no problem. You can delete it. After completing, come to next step. Run Roblox installer as administrator. For this, find Roblox installer file. Right click Run as administrator. Wait for a couple of seconds. It's loading. After loading, it will open the installer. You can see now it's installed completely and it's open perfectly. If it's not working means then we move on with next step. Go to browser, search for roblox.com, sign in. Then after sign in you need to go to any games. You need to click any games and click play. It will automatically asking you to install the Roblox. You can click install and install the application. So this is how to fix it. So thanks for watching. For more videos stay tuned. Thank you.